तो इसीलिए कुछ नहीं कर पाते हैं क्योंकि उनको बिलीव ही नहीं होता है कि हम कुछ बड़ा कर पाएंगे। उनमें टैलेंट बहुत होता है लेकिन उनके आसपास कोई एग्जाम्पल ही नहीं होता है कि जिसने बहुत कुछ बड़ा काम कर रखा होता है, तो वो सोच नहीं पाता कि यार ये भी पॉसिबल है। उनका सबसे बड़ा एग्जाम्पल ही होता है कि यार XYZ मंथ की मेरे को बस इतना पैसा आ जाए घर में, दैट्स इट।
Mindset you want asking how to succeed, how to stay consistent, how to get motivated, how to stay focused. You don't. You either are or you're not. If you really wanted it, you wouldn't need motivational quotes. You wouldn't need anyone to push you. You'd be obsessed. You'd wake up thinking about it. You'd go to sleep planning it. But if you don't want it, you just want to feel like you're trying. You want the results without the discomfort. You want the dream, but not the cost. That's why you stop the second it gets hard. That's why you need someone else to keep you accountable. And that's why you talk about ambition, but you don't work for it. Because if you actually wanted to win, you'd already be doing it. You wouldn't be explaining, justifying, or waiting. You'd be building. So stop pretending that you're lost. You're not. You just don't want it back.
It's a great thing for achievers कि पूरी दुनिया डिस्ट्रैक्टेड है।
It's easy to win now.
Exactly. It's so easy to win. तुम्हें थोड़ा सा फोकस करना और तुम जीत जाओगे क्योंकि बाकी सब तो वैसे ही डिस्ट्रैक्टेड।
तो अब तो इतना आसान है क्योंकि जब सब फोन पे हैं या जब सब डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हैं तो तुम थोड़ा सा बस ध्यान लगा लो, कुछ समय का पेशेंस रख लो, you will be through.
Have you seen someone who's less smart, less prepared, less qualified than you and is still winning? You know, they aren't that talented, but still they're achieving bigger things than you. That's Ibram's law in action. It's when everything that should go wrong somehow works out just because they dare to keep going. You're sitting there overthinking, planning, doubting yourself while they're out there doing things relentlessly, imperfectly, shamelessly. You know, we think that success follows logic, good school, smart ideas, right timing. But most of the people who win didn't follow a map. They just didn't stop. They're not better than you. They just didn't care if they looked stupid. They failed fast. They spoke up. They made mistakes in public. And while you waited to feel ready, they already built something. The reason people win isn't because it makes sense. It's because they move fast while you were still trying to find logic in everything.